Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss this topic, directions topic, fourth part, right? So here, meanwhile, just before we saw how the directions will be there, how the final facing, and with distance we find out, and Pythagoras theorem we find out. And now the questions is based on northeast, corner directions. So we know we have four directions, that is regular directions, and with this we have another directions also. There is nothing but corner directions. In the first class I said this thing, we have a total 8 directions, that is four corner directions. What are these four corner directions? This is northeast, and this is northwest, this is southwest, and this is southeast. So why I'm calling this southeast only, east south, why I'm not calling? So you have to mention first horizontal line. This is south, this is north, and this is west, and this is east. Vertical line and horizontal line. And here vertical line and horizontal line. Here also vertical line and horizontal line. Like this, we are mentioning the four corners. What are the four corners? Northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. These four corners also is our in directions. Now you just see here. So which questions will come on northeast, southeast? So up to this we just solve the questions like a person started from the origin towards north or towards east or towards south, towards south or towards west. Up to this we started, we have the questions like a person starts from origin point straight to the north, straight to the east, straight to the south, or maybe right and left. So like this we are saying this is the origin point, right? You know this origin point. This origin point. But now these questions will get based on northeast or southeast or southwest and northwest. So here we cannot move directly, straight. So they will question ask like this, maybe northeast, southeast, south, north and southwest also. So we'll see some problems on this one, then we'll get idea how to solve this type of questions. Okay, what's the first question? Prem goes 7 kilometers towards southeast. So directly he started walking to southeast, not the south, not the north, not the east. So he started his walking towards southeast from his house. Okay, then he goes 14 kilometers, turns to the west. Wow. Okay, after this he goes 7 kilometers. Someone given a answer. Who's that? Venkatesha. Okay, I'll check with answer. I too don't know actually. After this he goes 7 kilometers towards northwest, and the end he goes 9 kilometers towards east. How far he is from his house? They're asking how far he is from the house. Okay. Now, how are we going to draw this? So better understanding purpose, is just draw the first four directions. Then you just take this. Now, what they're saying in the question, first, a Prem goes 7 kilometers towards southeast. This is north, this is east, south and west. Okay, now he's going 7 kilometers towards southeast. Southeast means this one, right? Southeast. So he started, suppose this is his house, the origin point is his house. from his, he started like southeast 7 kilometers. He walks 7 kilometers. And then he goes 14 kilometers turning to the west. So from here, which is the west? So for this, it's a small tip I'll give. So whenever these type of problems, north, east, southeast, you just draw the one more small diagram, small direction diagram. So like this. From everywhere, you just draw the small thing. So it's not going to time much. If you're practicing more questions on this, then no need to writing this one also. You people will understand. But the starting of the new to this topic, right? So better just draw this a small diagram of directions. Like this. Some this is north, this is east, this is west, this is south. Now what they are saying, then he goes 14 kilometers turning to the west. So from here 14 kilometers west. This only, right? West 14 kilometers. Okay. Now and after he goes 7 kilometers towards northwest, and from here, which is a northwest, so don't worry, you just draw a small diagram here also like this. Now this is north, west, south, east. From here he goes northwest. He said he goes 7 kilometers northwest. Which one in the between this corner is northwest, right? So this is a northwest. Like this, 7 kilometers. Now, so again he reaches this point. Okay, now what they're saying, 7 kilometers northwest, and the end he goes 9 kilometers towards east. From here towards east. How many kilometers? 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers. Okay. Now you just see. So this is 7 kilometers. This is 7 kilometers started, and this is 14 kilometers, and this is again 7 kilometers. This is 9 kilometers. Now these 7 kilometers southeast, these 7 kilometers northwest get cancelled, and same position. And this position, this is nothing but 9 kilometers is here. So from this to this, from here to here, it is here to here, it is nothing but 14 kilometers. And from here to here, this is the 9 kilometers. And remaining this one, remaining this is from home to this, right? From home to this, it's nothing but 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers in which direction? From is here and the house is here. He's looking like this. Which direction? 5 kilometers east. And this one also same, the same thing here also, but you need to draw a small one more diagram here to solve this. If you draw here, it will be east mark. Okay, it is east. From point, his house is east. From house is west. Okay, 5 meters long. Is it clear now? So just small, same way we are going to solve here also, but a small thing I am just giving a tip to. So don't confuse this southeast and northeast. Just give a small diagram to here, the small diagram to here. Then you can easily identify the directions. Okay, now the second question. Move for the second question. A lady leaves from her home. She first walks 10 meters northwest direction, and then 10 meters in southwest direction. Next she walks 10 meters in southeast direction. Finally, she turns towards her house. In which direction is she moving? Okay. Patma, 14 kilometers west. Etc. Southwest. Yeah, that is what ma. That is what. See, 418. Once again, you just see. Listen this problem. You will understand. Okay. First, this is our direction. Okay, normal directions. Normal direction. Okay. This is north. This is south. This is east, and this is west. Now, clear from. See, what here it is you need to do means whenever they are reaching one place, from that you just draw the small diagram. This is a tip of you to find the directions. Directions. Suppose I move from here like this. Then after reaching here, my directions will be like this. Okay. From here it is northeast only. From here it is southwest. Okay. And don't get that much confusion. From just here, you just draw the one small, again one diagram. So this is north here, this is east here, this is west here, and this is a south here, and this is a west here. So from here, if I move north means like this. Okay. If I move east means like this. If I move south means like this. If I move west means like this. From here, if I move northwest means like this. Northwest means like this. Okay. And if from this, if I move southeast means like this. Okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear? So why I am writing? Why I am taking this small thing? For better understanding the directions. Okay. Now, look at this. Okay, come to the problem. A lady leaves her home. She first walks 10 meters in northwest. Which one is the northwest? This one, right? So that's why I'm using the different colors. You just find out the easily. So this is a northwest. Okay, how many meters? 10 meters, like this. Okay, 10 meters. And then you just draw one diagram here. Now this is west. Now this is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. From here, what's the direction? And then 10 meters southwest. From here, which is the southwest? This one, right? This one is the southwest. This one is the southwest. Now, from here, this one is the southwest. He moves. Again, how many meters? 10 meters. Right? The same point. Right? Clear? From here, southwest direction. Next, she walks 10 meters southeast. Southeast. From here, which is the southeast? Which is the southeast? You just draw one small diagram here also for understanding purpose. After that, you no need to require. First, you just understand. Then, from here, it is north, it is west, it is east, it is south. Now, what they're saying, southeast direction, 10 meters, 10 meters, southeast direction. Again, 10 meters. Okay. 10 meters, southeast direction. And from here, finally, she turns towards her house. Where is her house? Where is her house? Here, right? Now, from here, from here, This is north, this is east, this is west, this is south. Right? So from she moves, finally she turns towards her house, in which direction she is moving. Now from she is moving from here like this. Right? So which direction it is? Which direction it is? So this is north, this is west, sorry, this is east, west, south. So this is nothing but which direction it is? Northeast. So answer will be northeast. So do you understand now? Guys, do you understand now why I'm asking to draw this one? So it will be make easy to your direction, find the direction. So if you're practicing more percent, then no need of writing. So no need of drawing the small diagram. But first initial stage, you just practice with this diagram. People will not going to be confused of this diagrams. Now, move on to the next question. Okay. K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in northwest direction from the capital. From the capital, northwest direction. P. Okay. R is another place that located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from K. Okay. M is another place that is 2 kilometers away 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. T is at another place that is located 2 kilometers away in southwest direction from M. So, from M. In which direction T is located with respect to P? This is a very tricky question, ma. This is very, very tricky question. If you understand, you can able to solve this question means you are perfect in directions. Okay, now try this in our own way. First, I'm taking the directions here. I'm taking the directions. So, which one? North, east, south, and then west. Okay. Okay. Now, first thing, what they're saying, K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction, from the capital P. Suppose, think this is the capital P, this is the capital P, this point, okay, this point is capital P, okay. From here, K is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest. Which is the northwest? This only, right? This is the northwest. So K is located from here to here. Okay, think it is a K. Now this is a K. K, okay. And what I said, draw the small diagram from here to here. So this. Now this is west. Sorry, this is north, west, east, south. From here, what they are saying, capital P, R is another place that located 2 kilometers away, the southwest direction from K. From K southwest, which is the southwest? This one, right? So this one. Southwest is this one, right? This one. How many kilometers? 2 kilometers away. Okay. Which city it is? R. This is R. Okay. Now, what is another thing they are saying? No. R is located from K. M is another place that 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. So, which is the northwest direction from R? From R, northwest direction. So, this is north, this is west, south, east. So, this will be the northwest, right? So, this will be the northwest. So, M is located northwest after 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers, right? Now, And finally, what they are saying, M is located from R. Okay, this one is nothing but M. This one is nothing but M. Now, from T is at another place that located 2 kilometers away, southwest direction from M. So from M, which is our southwest, this one only, right? So southwest, another 2 kilometers, right? So another 2 kilometers. This is T. Which one it is? T. Which one it is? T. Okay, clear? Is it clear? No. Okay. Now see. Now what the question here asking? T is another southwest location. In which direction T located with respect to P? With respect to P, in which direction T is? In which direction T it is, ma? West direction is. From respect to P, it is nothing but west direction. From P, this is right. So this is, so it is which direction? West direction. P located the west direction. Okay, clear? If you understand this, then you are good in directions. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. We'll move for the next question. One question I'm going to give to you. You people will solve this question here now. Okay. See here. Sham starts walking in northeast direction. I'm giving like this, okay? Northeast direction and travels 30 meters. 30 meters. Now he moves towards east and walks 20 meters. Now he turns southwest and moves 30 meters and finally walks towards west for 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters and stop it. Find his distance of Sham, his distance from starting point. Now, this is our question. This is our question now. You just see, just check this. Now, try to solve this one. You will just solve this one. Now, what's the directions? This is the direction. No. Okay, I'll check now. No. The first thing, how you are moving, how he is moving. He starts walking in a northeast direction, travels 30 meters. So from here, think here, from he started here, northeast like this, northeast 30 meters, 30 meters. Then from here, which is the directions?